Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can add currency or change currency on your PayPal account. I'm going to be guiding you throughout this video. All you have to do is watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So then let's get started. First of all, you'll have to log in into your PayPal account. So for that, open up your web browser. You can use any web browser that is convenient for you. And once you open up your web browser, on the search box type in www.paypal.com, and after that you'll be directed to the profile page. And once you're on this page, you have to tap on login in the top right corner of your screen, and after that log in into your PayPal account. After you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the summary page or the home page. So once you're on this page, you have to tap on wallet, which is right on top. As you tap on wallet, next interface you'll be able to see all of the information that is associated with your PayPal account or the payment method or the bank account that is linked to your PayPal account. In order to change or add a currency, you'll need to tap on add a currency, which is right in between. So from here you need to select the currency type that you want to change or that you want to add, and once you're done selecting it, tap on add a currency, which is right at the bottom. So once you're done selecting the currency, you'll have this kind of interface. So after that, tap on done. So once again you'll be directed to the wallet page. You can see right at the bottom that I've added a currency or that I've changed the currency. In case if you want to set the newly currency as a primary, you have to tap on the three dot icon located right in the corner, and as you tap on it, there's a drop down menu. So from there you need to tap on make primary. So after that, once again there's a verification. So all you have to do is just tap on set as primary if you're sure about it, and then you have successfully added or changed currency on your PayPal account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.